What's up, y'all? Back with another shave today. Yeah, this time we're going to be using Colonel Conk's peach. It's a peach kind. Got a peach scent to it. So, we're going to get crazy on that today. Got the double-edged Bix on hand. I got my double-edge safety razor coming from Amazon. We got Biggie Smalls playing. Somebody's got to die. Like gangster rap shit, you know. So we're gonna get our shave on. Here we go. Shit. Hydrate my face. Somebody got to die. Alright. How y'all doing today, man? Okay, we're gonna foam it up. Boar brush. Got the peach. You know how I do it. Put this in here. Couple passes today, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, this stuff. Oh man, it smells good. Yeah. So let's get it on. Some good stuff. That's a lot of cream, y'all. More than enough. It's a lot. I like putting extras, you know. Nice creamy thick layer. Just work it in, brother. Nice and evenly distributed. Woo! Yeah. Now, as always, on the first pass, you go with the grain. Talk a little bit about this Colonel Conk soap. Good shit, man. I love it. When I first ordered it, I ordered like 8 of the bay rum, and then a couple of these peach, you know. It smells like peaches and fruit stuff. You like that? Yep. Big or small, be tight. Old school. Know what I'm saying? Now the first pass, pretty nice. We'll need a second. So, that's just tons. It's the way I like it. Nick Shaves, how you doing, bro? How's that medical stuff coming? Man, this is like silk. Mm-hmm. Sure, I like this stuff so much. Check it out, man. Look at that. Alright, this time we're going against the grain. Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. Hypnotize. Nice. Oh no. Colonel Conk and Vanderhagen, those are my two favorite soaps, but I do love Williams too. Let's do a few cross. It's just the way they go on. This stuff really grabs the hair good. Mm. See? No need for a third pass. Yeah. Alright. Uh-huh. Okay. Now we're gonna do this. Don't like no unibrows, bro. You just go over, you know what I'm saying? See, I can do this because it's still slick. Some people don't like the slick feel, but I love it because that means it's still on there. And it'll settle on your pores. Make sure we're looking good. Rinse out your shit. Look at all that cream we had, man. It's like the 3 more shaves. Spank the brush. Take the puck out. The smell is amazing on that. So, rinse that bowl out. Throw your puck in there. And you ready for a couple days, shave, whatever. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. You know we gotta do it. You know what I got. Clubman, man, this shit's been around since the 40s and 50s in barbershops. That's where it started. So. Ah! Ah! Woo! Woo, boy. Yeah, put it down. Drop it. Like the clubman says, you know how we stand. Got that little cane and shit. I got it. Shit, man. So, you know how I do it. Gotta have a drop of the musk because it mixes with the clubman. Bam, that's it. Oh. Woohoo. Yeah. You the #1 stunner, nigga. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Teeth all brushed. We're looking good. You know what I'm saying? Thank y'all for watching the Will Shaves. Got some fresh coffee brewing. I smell coffee, shaving soap, and aftershave. Now, time to get all G'd up. Put another shirt on because this one's kind of wet. But, you guys, thank you for watching my videos. There's more to come. I got more products coming. More soaps coming. Straight razor coming. Double edge razor coming. I'm going to show you guys how to use that. Stick around. Good music. Good atmosphere. And the dog himself. Alright? Peep it, guys. Check y'all out.